My name is Jared Erickson, and I'm in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm one of the owners of Brother Moto. We are a DIY motorcycle garage. We have a coffee shop, which kind of welcomes in the general public to come be around bikes and be around some other creative people. We have all the tools any mechanic would use, but you do it all yourself. So it's really for that DIY spirited person that wants to learn about their bike, customize it, fix it. We have a mechanic on hand that's there to help you. It all kind of started in a shed. Me and a couple buddies needed a place to work on our bikes. We all shared the tools. Friend's friend would come, and a friend's friend would come, and we just saw kind of the need of maybe this is something people would need in the city.
Brothers got that coffee.
We were actually at the peak of business at that point. Then the news about the COVID hit and kind of just stole all of that momentum away. I had to really sell a lot of things just to keep the minimal staff I have now. Our business was based around community and based around gathering, and when you can't do those things, it kind of crushes you. Luckily, we already had a pretty strong online presence, so I kind of shifted all of our energy to how do we stock online, how do we do that really great. It's been a huge learning curve just to hopefully come out of this with a new space, with new energy and with a new idea. A lot of what's been going on, I think, has opened a lot of people's eyes to we do need to support these small businesses. I'm kind of in for the long run, and I keep reminding myself of, the events we would have, or the gatherings, or the workshops. You saw friendships form through just having a space like we had. That stuff was fun. That stuff was great. I see it as a need, and that kind of makes it worth it to me.